In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore recently deleted tasks on Asana 2025, step by step. If you remove the task by accident, don't worry, Asana makes it possible to bring it back, as long as it hasn't been permanently deleted and you still have access to it. We'll use advanced search to find deleted items quickly and restore the one you need. Follow along and I'll walk you through the exact clicks. Begin by opening the search bar at the top of your Asana screen. You'll see it in the header labeled Search. Click into it to reveal the search options. This is where we'll start narrowing things down. From here, go to Advanced Search. Depending on your view, you may see a 3 dots icon or a small filter icon inside the search panel. Click that to open the full Advanced Search menu. This gives you precise filters, not just keyword results. In the Advanced Search menu, locate the status dropdown and set it to Deleted. This is the key filter that tells Asana to show tasks that have been removed. If you remember who owned the task or which project it lived in, add extra filters like Assigned to, Projects, or Last Modified to narrow your results and cut through the noise. Now run the search. Click the search button, and Asana will display a list of your recently deleted tasks based on those filters. Scan the list for the title you recognize. If you don't see it, try clearing an extra filter or broadening the date range to capture more results. When you spot the right task, restore it. Open the task or use the action next to it and choose Restore. In some layouts, this appears as a trash can icon with a Restore option. The task will return to its original project with its details intact, such as the description, comments, and subtasks when available. If your permissions have changed, you may need to reassign or move it after the restore. A couple of quick tips. You can type a keyword in the search bar in addition to the deleted filter to speed things up. Only items you have permission to view will appear, and tasks that were permanently removed cannot be recovered. On mobile, the same approach works, but the advanced search entry point is usually behind the filter icon, and that's the whole process. Open the search bar, go to Advanced Search, set status to deleted, run the search, and restore the task you need. Pause the video and try it now, and you'll be back on track in seconds.